Hello, and welcome to the Honeywell MAXPRO Cloud How-To video series. In this video, we're going to cover viewing and operating the alarms page. The alarms page lists all alarms and events that occur in any of the systems connected to a MAXPRO Cloud account. To work within the alarms page, first go to mymaxprocloud.com and log into your MAXPRO Cloud account. Once logged in, from the dashboard, select the menu icon in the upper left corner of the page and then select Alarms. This page may also be accessed by clicking on the notification icon in the upper right corner and clicking on an individual alarm or View All Alarms. Once the page loads, it will list all the alarms and events that have occurred on sites within the customers on your MAXPRO Cloud account. The information shown includes the alarm or event that has occurred, the device or entity on which it has occurred, the site, and the time and date. This list updates in real time and can be useful for testing and troubleshooting. The drop-down in the upper left of the page can be used to select to view all alarms and events, alarms only, events only, or archived events. You may also filter this page by a variety of options using the Filter button in the upper right of the page. This can be especially useful if you have many customers and sites, as there may be many alarms and events being displayed. You may filter by entities, such as controllers and devices, different times, specific events, or specific sites. The listed events may be further sorted by time or event severity using the Sort By drop-down. If you wish to temporarily freeze the screen to keep it from updating with new events to more easily analyze the data on the page, select the Actions button in the upper right and select Freeze Alarm Stream. Ensure to unfreeze this when you are finished. Alarms will remain listed as alarms until they are acknowledged. Once they are acknowledged, they will move to the events list. Alarms may be acknowledged individually or as a group by selecting the Acknowledge All button, which will acknowledge all the alarms on the page. Events will remain in the list until they are archived, after which they will be listed under Archived Events. All the items that show under Alarms, Events, or Archived Events may also be seen by running a report on the Reports page. You may also control devices from this page. If an Actions drop-down is shown to the right of an alarm, click this to view the available options and select an action to execute. If a video clip is recorded by a rule or alarm, there will also be an icon here to view the clip. If the associated device has been populated on a floor plan, you may quickly access it by clicking on the floor plan icon to the right. This concludes the steps to work within the Alarms page in MAXPRO Cloud. Remember that the MAXPRO Cloud Web Help Configuration Guide provides a wealth of information and additional step-by-step instructions. It can easily be accessed from any page in MAXPRO Cloud by selecting the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and selecting Help. The guide will launch in a separate window from which you may browse or search topics. Additional resources may also be found at honeywelldiscovertraining.com. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.